Kaya natin to guys. Ilo-load lang natin dito yung mga ibang gamit. Ayan, so we're just hoping for smooth move. My Uber I think is about to arrive in just a minute or two. Andyan na siya. So, ilo-load natin tong mga to. And then, yan. So, nasa Uber na. And we're on our way. Ano yung gamit natin? Book lang ako ng Uber XL para may space. So, see you in a bit. So, ayun na guys. Doon na lang muna tayo magtatapos, I think, for this vlog. Yun na yung first day natin of moving stuff to the new place. Ayoko mo nang pakita sa inyo yung aking bagong lilipatan. Para sa ibang vlog naman yon, yung ating house reveal sa bago nating lilipatan. But at least I'm happy na kahit papano ay naka-move na tayo at simula na siya. So, tuloy-tuloy na lang to guys. Marami pa tayong aayusin. Marami pa tayong liligpitin dito sa bahay. Dito sa ating old house. Ating old place. Bago tayo talagang magbonggang-bonggang move. So, I think kaya pa to ng isa pang malakihang paglipat and then final move. I think that should be doable yung ganong klase ng move natin. But that's it. So thank you so much guys for joining me today sa pagsama sa akin ng whole day. It's actually now 6 p.m. So it took us a few hours. Nagsimula tayong mag-ready ng around 1 p.m. siguro. So at least 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, so ayun, pagoda na tayo. If you can see, na-stress na yung ating itsura, but kiver lang yan. Konting push na lang at makakalipat na tayo. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for joining. I hope na-enjoy nyo ang ating first part ng paglilipat. And abangan nyo sa susunod na next vlog yung ating part 2 ng ating paglilipat, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's Thursday, 13th of February, and today I had a very busy day yesterday, and today we're just gonna take it slow and we're just gonna chill today. And so yesterday we had 2 big moves, so I had to do 2 separate moves yesterday kasi para at least most of the things that I have here sa old place natin mailipat na natin, because it's really hard to move, especially if you don't have leave for this move. I didn't actually file for a leave for this move, so I was actually thinking to just do everything sa rest day lang. So yun, kasi I've already planned out the rest of my holidays for this year. So that's why I am very short of annual leaves. So, but anyways, kaya natin to. We're almost there. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ating, yung mga natitira na lang. So, ayan. Okay, so basically, lahat ng mga shoes natin, nailipat na natin. And then, na-empty na rin natin itong ating wardrobe. So, it's just pang-work na lang for the next 2 days. And then, most of my shoes are gone. And then, the jackets as well. So, most of the coats and the jackets, I've already na iligpit ko na. And then, these are just, you know, all the stuff there are all packed. So, ito na lang. So, ito na lang. Yung mga konting buting-buting ting na lang yung kailangan nating ipack. So alam niyo guys, like, I ordered this kariton yesterday. I ordered this the other day from Amazon. And it's actually such a great help if in case you guys are thinking about moving. Maganda siya. It's called the Timber. It's from Timber Ridge. It's like their trolley. Though, actually, para siyang pang-camping. Pang-camping trolley siya. So, ayan siya. Ganyan siya. Nafo-fold siya. But then, it expands to like a big trolley. And it's actually nice to use, especially if you are trying to transfer like heavy objects or heavy stuff. So, yung mga bags ko, lahat ng mga napack ko na mga things, I had to carry it with this one. And it was such an ease, very convenient. So, I'm very thankful and very happy that I made this purchase. So, pwede siyang dalhin for like holidays, for camping, mga ganyan, para lagyan ng mga kung anik-anik, di ba? Maganda siya. So, yon. So, if in case you need something to help you para hindi kayo mahirapan magbuhat and mag-carry na mga stuff, try to buy this. Try to get yourself one of this. Ayan. So, today guys, konting linis lang tayo, konting ayos-ayos because we're taking it easy today. It's actually almost like 2 p.m. na, 2:30, and we're still here, but may plano tayo tonight, so I'll be meeting up with the girlies, and we're gonna have Valentine's night tonight, so we're gonna have a dinner date, and we're gonna celebrate Valentine's together, so we're excited for that, so we're just gonna get ready. So, ayun, mag-ayos-ayos kayo dito, and then mag-get ready na tayo. So, ayun lang. That's all the update for today.
camera mo? Dinala mo?
Hindi mo dinala?
Nag-cash.
Vlog, vlog.
Alis ko naman. Pag-chill na lang.
Valentine's with the girlies.
Sige, ito na lang.
With the girlies and the gays.
With the game.
Hi guys. In my flash. Ito kami ngayon sa Mowgli restaurant. Indian restaurant. Ayan, mga girlies natin. Girly pops.
Ano yung sayaw mo sa may camera?
Hey! 안녕하세요. 안녕. Welcome to South Korea. So far, 2025.
Parang mga turista. Annyeong!
2025.
Good morning, everyone. Today is 16th of February, 2025. It's a Sunday morning, and we are actually getting ready to make the final move from the house. So these are like the final things na ating ililipat for today, and the rest will be cleaning na lang ang natitira. So we can probably do that on Tuesday when we finally leave here, because may mga ano pa tayo. We have until the 18th before we officially leave the place. So, and also because we have work at the same time, so I can't really do everything, no? But yeah, so today we're gonna try to make sure to move everything as much as we can, and we have a very special help today. So one of my workmates gonna help us. Makikilala niyo siya mamaya, so I'm gonna introduce her later on. But yeah, so this is it. We're just waiting. I'm just gonna pack a little bit more and arrange stuff so it would be easier for us. But basically, this is everything. So, yan. Okay? I might be leaving some stuff. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so I think I might just leave these plates and the bowls as well. Kasi, iwan na lang natin yan kasi hindi naman siya, I don't think I'll need it. It's a new house. Yeah, this one, the Brita, will bring the Brita. Hi everyone! So, andito na nga tayo sa ating old flat. And today is our last day, final moving day natin today. And bumalik tayo dito para linisin ang bahay or ang flat for the last time bago tayo tuluyang umalis. And talaga namang nakaka-stress itong past few weeks of moving dahil sobrang busy sa work, at the same time naglilipat tayo, so talaga namang bigay todo tayo, no, and ubos puwersa. So ayan na, final move na. So ayan, moving last bit. So ayos na tayo dito, nag-hoover and everything. Tapos eto, iiwan na natin tong mga to. So, yan yung old set natin. Tapos, itong, thank you so much. Charot. So, ayan. Ito na yung last batch ng gamit na dadalhin natin. Tapos, ayan, naglilinis na tayo dito. Ayan. So, goodbye. Ito na yung last view natin sa ating bahay dito. Thank you so much. So, ayan. Ito yung kama ko. Maraming salamat. Thank you for everything. Charot. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Paalam na tayo sa ating bahay. So, ayun lang guys. So, today is our final moving day and hopefully, better yung 2025 natin. And I'm so excited to be moving to the new place. And sana ay maging more blessings and maging mas masaya ang ating adventure and journey sa ating bagong bahay. So, ayan na. Bye, Hanover Park. Ayan. So, it's been a wild 1 year din yung tinagal ko dito sa place na to. I'm just so happy na talagang na-enjoy natin yung space na to for a while, living alone. And now we are moving to a new place na may kasama na tayo. And we're moving to, you know, with people na talagang mga friends natin. So, excited tayo doon. Ayan. Yun lang guys. So, tapos na tayo maglinis dito. And, alis na tayo. That's it. So, thank you so much. So, maaga tayong pumunta dito, no? Para ayusin tong mga gamit na to. And, ayun. Enjoy naman natin. And I'm so blessed and thankful na nakuha ko tong bahay in such a short period of time last year. It was such a short notice and talagang I'm so happy na naranasan ko din na tumira sa ganito and na-enjoy ko din yung experience and it's really nice. It's just that, ayun, living by yourself lang talaga, but ganun talaga. We have to move on our next journey and our next life. Ayan. So, ito na. Thank you guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye. Yung next vlog natin sa bagong bahay na. Okay? Like and subscribe.